Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, is over the awesome bentonite Indian healing clay. This stuff has been around for years and years, and as you all know, this stuff is very popular and you can use it on your face or in your hair. Basically, bentonite clay is like the most powerful mask ever. It comes in a container like this. You can order this container off of Amazon or find it at your local vitamin shop. I ordered mine from Amazon and it cost maybe around $7 to $8, which wasn't bad at all. And you definitely get a ton of clay in the container. So basically with the bentonite clay, you can mix it with either water or apple cider vinegar. I have tried it before, mixing it with apple cider vinegar, but it was just a little bit too much for my skin. So I just mainly mix it with water now. So basically I use this this mask weekly, and I also use it as a spot treatment as well, and I have seen a tremendous difference in my skin for sure. So basically whenever I do have like a pimple or a breakout appearing, I will just do a spot treatment and it will clear it up within days. I do still have a little bit of scarring left, but basically it isn't really that bad compared to what it used to be like. So this has definitely helped a lot within like taking my biotin as well as drinking plenty of water. So I definitely use it for my face. I have personally tried it back when I was natural on my hair, and it definitely made my curls more defined, and it just released all those toxins and things from your hair and from your face. So like I did just state, it's basically when you do apply it to your face, it's basically going to get really tight to where you cannot move your face at all. And it's basically just sucking out all those toxins and dirt from your skin and from your pores. So yeah, I basically do use this mask once a week, or either I may spot treat like 2 times out of the week. You do kind of want to stay away from this, not using it that frequent, because it can be drying to your skin since it is so powerful. So you definitely want to make sure that you are moisturizing after you apply this mask. So basically all I do is just cleanse my face, apply the mask or the spot treatment, rinse my face, and then I definitely follow up with a moisturizer, and I am good to go. I do experience some redness in some areas due to the mask, but that is completely normal. And let this mask sit on for about 15 minutes. You can definitely tell when it's time to rinse because it does get kind of crackly and kind of flaky, and once it dries up completely. So you will definitely know I would not exceed letting this mask sit on your face for 30 minutes. I just at the max just do 15 minutes and then rinse, and I'm good to go. So I will say your skin will clear up over time with this. Obviously, it isn't a miracle worker to where it's going to clear up overnight. So I would definitely just try this product out, let us do its course and things like that, and then you should definitely see a difference in your skin versus this overall treatment or a spot treatment to remove any pimples or acne that is appearing. And yeah guys, that is basically it for this video. If you guys would like to see me using this product, then definitely let me know down in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.